Today's video is on the top 3 best heaters for a garage. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Comfort Zone Garage Heater. Are you tired of cluttered floors taking up valuable space in your garage or warehouse? Say hello to the perfect solution, a fan-forced heater designed for ceiling mounting. This clever design lets you free up that precious floor area while still effectively warming up your surroundings. With the ability to heat an impressive area of up to 1,250 square feet, you can enjoy a cozy environment without sacrificing space. It's a game changer for crowded places like storage areas and workshops. You can trust this heater to perform, no matter the conditions. Made from high-quality, heavy-gauge steel, it's designed to stand up to the toughest environments, including those poorly insulated spots where other heaters might fail. Its robust construction means it can handle temperature swings without missing a beat, ensuring you have reliable heat whenever you need it. Want to focus your warmth exactly where you need it? This heater makes it easy. With adjustable louvers and a variable mounting angle, you can direct airflow precisely where it's most effective. Plus, the fan-forced design helps spread the warmth evenly, so you can enjoy a cozy atmosphere from every corner of the room. Taking charge of your comfort has never been easier. The heater features a digital thermostat that lets you set the perfect temperature for your needs. And thanks to the remote control, you can adjust the settings from across the room without having to get up. Your safety is a top priority with this ceiling mount heater. It's packed with intelligent safety features to give you peace of mind while you enjoy the warmth. A built-in sensor keeps an eye on the temperature and automatically shuts off the heater if it overheats, protecting you from potential hazards. Plus, there's a power indicator light that lets you know when the unit is running, so you can see at a glance if it's on. Many of these heaters come with BTU options, so it's important to choose the right one for your garage's size and layout. If you have a one-car garage, a heater providing 6,000 to 9,000 BTUs will be ideal for spaces between 150 and 300 square feet. For a two-car garage, look for a heater with 9,000 to 12,000 BTUs to cover an area of about 400 to 600 square feet. For those with a three-car garage, you should consider a heater that provides between 18,000 and 24,000 BTUs to effectively warm up an area of 600 to 900 square feet. If you're lucky enough to have a 4-car garage, you'll want a heater that offers over 55,000 BTUs for spaces larger than 1,000 square feet. Many heaters come with options, so you can pick the size that best fits your needs, ensuring your garage stays cozy and comfortable regardless of the weather outside. Press that subscribe button like you're trying to keep the heat in when the garage door opens. Number 2, best overall, Tempware Electric Garage Heaters. Looking to keep your garage warm and cozy? This garage heater is a great choice. With adjustable louvers and a variable mounting angle, you can easily direct the airflow to where you need it most. It packs a punch with a maximum output of 25,590 BTUs, making it powerful enough to heat spaces to 1,250 square feet. Whether you need a little warmth or a lot, you can choose between low and high power settings, ranging from 6,250 to 7,500 watts to suit your needs. But that's not all. This heater also features an ECO mode and a timer function. The Smart ECO mode uses a precise temperature sensor to automatically adjust its operation or turn off when the ambient temperature is just right. Plus, you can set an auto-off timer for anywhere between 1 and 12 hours to help save on energy bills. Talk about convenience. Safety is a top priority with this garage heater. It comes equipped with a built-in thermostat, allowing you to adjust the temperature to your liking, from 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't worry about overheating. A built-in sensor will automatically turn off the heater if it gets too hot, giving you peace of mind. Durability is another key aspect of this heater. It is constructed from heavy-duty steel material making it not only strong and sturdy, but also highly resistant to wear and tear. This means you can rely on it for a long service life, making it a worthwhile investment for your garage heating needs. Plus, the heater is ETL certified, which means it has been tested for safety and performance standards, ensuring that you can use it confidently without worrying about compromising your safety. Keep in mind that this heater requires hardwired installation, so it's best to have an electrician handle it. It needs to be grounded and connected to a properly sized current protection circuit breaker, following the National Electric Code and local regulations. Just a note, this heater does not come with a power cord, so make sure you have what you need for installation. Overall, this garage heater is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a warm, safe, and efficient space in their garage. With its powerful heating capabilities, smart features, and robust construction, you can enjoy a cozy environment no matter how cold it gets outside. So why wait? Bring comfort to your garage today. Number 1, our pick. Bilt Electric Garage Heater. Looking for an efficient way to heat your space? Check out this incredible 8,500 watt fan force wall heater. With 2 powerful heating levels, 5,600 watts delivering 19,112 BTUs, and 8,500 watts reaching 28,971 BTUs. This heater can effectively warm up to 1,500 square feet. Plus, it features adjustable louvers and variable mounting angles, allowing for horizontal or vertical airflow to suit your needs. What sets this heater apart is its built-in adjustable remote-controlled thermostat. Imagine the convenience of being able to set your desired temperature anywhere between 50 degrees and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, all from the comfort of your chair. The thermostat is designed to automatically adjust its working mode or turn off completely if the ambient temperature gets too high, ensuring that your space remains comfortable and safe. This feature not only enhances your comfort, but also promotes energy efficiency. To help you save on your energy bills, there's also an auto-off timer that you can easily set for 1 to 8 hours. This means you won't have to worry about accidentally leaving it on for too long. Now, let's talk about installation. It's important to note that this heater requires a 240-volt hardwired hookup. While this might sound a bit complicated, Bilt recommends hiring a professional electrician for the job. This ensures that the installation meets all safety standards and guidelines. The garage heater must be grounded and connected to a circuit breaker that complies with both the United States National Electric Code and local regulations. Once it's installed, operating this heater is a breeze. It features a user-friendly digital display screen along with a fully functional remote control. This thoughtful design allows you to easily adjust the settings without having to get up, making it a fantastic choice for heating your garage, warehouse, workshop, or any other space you need to keep warm. Durability is key, and this heater has it covered with its sturdy, rugged construction. Equipped with an upgraded commercial-grade heating element and a premium motor, it's designed to enhance performance and extend the lifespan of the unit. Plus, it's ETL certified, giving you peace of mind when it comes to safety. Finally, Bilt stands behind its product with a 1-year warranty. They focus on quality and offer direct customer service to address any issues you might encounter during the warranty period. Just a quick note, this heater does not come with a power cord, so keep that in mind when making your purchase. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.